Are you ready to place an order for Corbin Russwin Cylindrical locks? Chances are your project has multiple openings that require different types of locks with different functions. That's why it's important to order the proper configurations of locks to ensure your project stays on schedule. In this video, we'll step through how to generate an accurate and complete order using the CLX 3300 series lock set as an example. We'll start by entering the number of locks needed. For this example, we'll order 24 locks. Then, we'll choose the series and function needed for the locks, all of which can be found in the product catalog. In this case, we're ordering a CLX 3300 series lock with a classroom function. So we'll enter CLX 33 for the series number and 55 for the function. Next, choose the trim, which encompasses the lever and rose design. In this example, we will choose a Newport lever with a D rose, so we'll enter NZD here. Next, choose the finish of the locks. Different finishes add a unique style to your space. For this project, we like the satin chromium plated finish, so we'll specify 626. The hand determines which way the door swings to open when standing on the secure side of the opening. LH stands for left hand and RH stands for right hand. LHR and RHR stand for reverse options. Now we need to specify the back set, the distance between the center line of the lock set and the edge of the door. The standard back set for this series of locks is 2 3/4 inches. But since the measurement on our sample doors is 3 3/4 inches, we'll specify B334 here. You may want to select an optional strike for your doors. Locks in this series come standard with strikes that have an ANSI curved lip and measure 1 1/4 inches from lip to center. Our sample project requires 1 1/4 inch T-strikes, so we'll enter SC 114 right here. Next, choose any additional options needed for your locks. In this example, we'll select optional knurling on the outside only, so we'll specify M21 here. For a list of codes for all available options, consult the product catalog. Next, we have to specify any special cylinder or keying options needed. When ordering Corbin Russwin lock sets, you can choose between visual or concealed key control. With visual key control, the key symbol is stamped on the plug face of the cylinder. With concealed key control, the key symbol is stamped in a concealed location, such as the rear of the cylinder, so it's not visible to general occupants. For our example, we'll select visual key control cylinders only, so we'll enter VKC3 for this order parameter. For all available cylinder or keying options, refer to the Cylinder and Keying Options section of the catalog. Finally, if your project requires master keying, you must provide all information concerning the key system layout when you place your order. Each keyed lock will require a key set. The key set determines which keys in the master key system will operate the lock. In this example, we are setting up a 4-level master key system and keying these locks to key set AA1. This means the lock will be operated by the change key AA1, the master key AA, the grandmaster key A, and the great grandmaster key or GGM. That's it, your order is complete. Just keep in mind that function, trim, finish, and hand are required fields when ordering cylindrical locks. At Corbin Russwin, we're committed to getting your order right the first time. And by ensuring your order string is completed correctly, you'll avoid delays in processing. Finally, to ensure accurate billing, please reference any quotes you have received.